How do I retrieve text messages sent during airplane mode on my iPhone?
Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, we'll be discussing how to retrieve text messages that were sent to you while your iPhone was in airplane mode. This is a question that many of you have been asking, so we're happy to provide some guidance on this topic. Let's dive right in.
What happens to messages sent during airplane mode?
Firstly, let's clarify what happens to your text messages when your phone is in airplane mode. When your iPhone is in airplane mode, it's unable to receive any incoming calls or texts. However, don't worry, you won't miss any messages. Instead, the messages are stored in the network server and are delivered to your device once it reconnects to the network. This process is automatic and doesn't require any manual action.
How to retrieve the text messages?
Now, let's move on to how you can retrieve these text messages. To retrieve text messages that were sent to you during airplane mode, 1. Switch off the airplane mode. You can do this by swiping up from the bottom of your screen, or swiping down from the top right on newer iPhones, to bring up the control center, then tapping on the airplane icon to disable the airplane mode. 2. Wait for a few moments. After turning off the airplane mode, give your phone a few moments to reconnect to the cellular network. This process may take a few seconds to a few minutes depending on your location and the strength of the cellular signal. 3. Check your Messages app. You should automatically receive any messages that were sent during the period your phone was in airplane mode. They will appear in the Messages app as though they were sent at the moment your phone reconnected to the network. Please note that these steps apply to both regular text messages, SMS, and iMessages.
What if the messages don't appear?
If for some reason you don't see the messages appear after disabling airplane mode, you might want to try the following steps. 1. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can solve many problems. Hold the side button and either volume button until the power off slider appears. Drag the slider, then wait 30 seconds for your device to turn off. To turn your device back on, hold the side button until you see the Apple logo. 2. Check for a carrier settings update. Go to Settings, General, About. If an update is available, you'll see an option to update your carrier settings. 3. Contact your carrier. If none of the above steps work, there might be an issue with your network provider. Get in touch with them for further assistance. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that you don't miss out on any important messages sent while your iPhone is in airplane mode. We hope this video was helpful and clarified how to retrieve text messages sent during airplane mode on an iPhone. As always, thank you for watching, and we look forward to assisting you with more tech tips in the future.